Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling how to use Agoda coupons in 2025. If you're planning a trip and want to save big on hotels, flights, or activities, Agoda is your go-to app, and coupons can slash those prices even more. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have an Agoda account. If you don't, head to the Agoda website or app and sign up. It's quick and free. Once you're logged in, start by searching for your desired destination. For example, type in Bangkok hotels and set your dates. Agoda's interface is super user-friendly, so you'll see a list of options pop up right away. Now, here's where the magic happens. Look for the Coupons or Promo Codes section, usually found on the homepage or during checkout. In 2025, Agoda has made it easier with personalized deals based on your search history, so keep an eye out for that. Once you find a coupon that fits, like a 10% off code for first-time users, copy it or note it down. Next, select your hotel or booking and proceed to the payment page. You'll see a field labeled something like Enter Promo Code. Paste your code there and hit Apply. Watch the total price drop. It's that satisfying. Double-check that the discount is applied correctly before confirming your booking. Pro tip: always read the coupon terms, as some might have restrictions like minimum spend or blackout dates. Also, combine coupons with Agoda's flash sales for maximum savings. By 2025, Agoda might even have AI recommendations for the best codes, so stay updated. There you have it. Using Agoda coupons is straightforward and can save you a bundle. Give it a try on your next trip and let me know in the comments how much you saved. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more travel hacks. Thanks for watching, and safe travels.